Introducing the all-new HYGOOD Inert Gas System 300 from Johnson Controls. Designed for safety and engineered for simplicity, the HYGOOD IGS 300 not only helps extinguish fires effectively, but does so with high levels of control, reducing turbulence from discharge and improving safety in data centers, server rooms, and other buildings with sensitive or high-value assets. The HYGOOD IGS 300 uses enhanced regulated flow technology. This prevents pressure spikes, better protecting assets and the enclosure. The regulated flow optimizes pipe sizes and makes for a more cost-effective installation. Upon actuation, the HYGOOD IGS 300 discharges environmentally friendly Energen, or IG55, from a centralized bank of containers and is safe to protect occupied spaces. The naturally occurring gases flood the protected space, displacing oxygen. The agent has no global warming potential or ozone depleting potential. To simplify system operations, the HYGOOD IGS 300 was designed with direct electrical actuation that allows for operation of up to an impressive 85 containers without the need for pilot containers. The single system manifold layout extends port to port and fixes to the wall with the high-pressure manifold check valve positioned for efficient installation and discharge. Pipes use union connectors for a gas-tight seal, and discharge nozzles are available in multiple sizes and 180 and 360-degree discharge patterns. Because the HYGOOD IGS 300 uses removable pressure gauges, a standard shipping cap can be used on each container, helping prevent damage during transportation. The separately supplied pressure gauges are easily installed on site. The HYGOOD IGS 300 also integrates acoustic nozzles that attenuate sound to protect sensitive equipment like hard disk drives. Thanks to its simplified engineering and enhanced regulated flow technology, the HYGOOD IGS 300 allows for smaller pipe diameters, lower pipe specifications, and reduced overpressure vent size compared with conventional inert gas systems. The HYGOOD IGS 300 allows for the creation of custom layouts with up to 4 rows of containers, enabling efficient space utilization. Extended pipe runs also contribute to the system's flexibility, enabling the protection of larger volumes from a central storage location, simplifying the design process and streamlining installation. These system advantages help drive not only into lower equipment, materials, and labor costs, but also quicker installation, commissioning, and service. Systems can be recharged at one of Johnson Controls' authorized regional locations. Designed for safety and engineered for simplicity, the HYGOOD Inert Gas System 300 is the smart choice for the protection of valuable assets and business continuity. Visit HYGOOD.com to learn more.